Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan expressed concern over the low attendance of pediatricians and officials of Health Department at the launch of Social Awareness and Action to Neutralize Pneumonia Successfully SANS and National Newborn Week at Classic Grande Chingmerong today. Speaking further at the event, which was organized by Child Health Division State Health Society, Minister Ranjan explained that the program aims to raise awareness about the protection, prevention and treatment of pneumonia for children between 0 to 5 years. I beg your pardon. He went on to state that the program also emphasizes on the deliberation of initiatives that have to be taken up from grassroots level in connection to National Newborn Week. The minister also highlighted Manipur's relatively low infant mortality rate from pneumonia in comparison to other parts of the country. Family Welfare Director Dr. N. Hemanta also attended the function.
Doctors who are practicing at the field, more than ever, make a list of all the specialists and all the pediatricians and whatever. As a chairman, some programs are because healthy subjects, it's so important. When you apply and see, yes, pneumonia, no, but pneumonia is the cause of many things. Another pneumonia, future, optimizing antimicrobial, you prevent antimicrobial resistance to newborns. It is just not in newborns. Antimicrobial resistance, it's a worldwide phenomenon which is going to be, it's a ticking time bomb. We just see, but the implementation has to be done at the grassroots level. And assume that department see, sincere observance meaning ministry